The latest figures suggest that we have largely passed the peak of the third wave of infections, although there are areas in the country where we still need to be concerned because the rates of infections have not yet shown signs of decline. Cabinet this afternoon, after receiving all these recommendations, decided that the country should be moved from adjusted alert level 4 and be placed on adjusted alert level 3. This will take effect later this evening once the regulations have been gazetted. The hours of curfew will stay the same, starting at 10 p.m. and will end at 4 a.m. Interprovincial travel for leisure may resume once more. Non-essential establishments such as restaurants, taverns, bars, and fitness centers may be opened. These establishments will, however, need to close by 9 p.m. to allow their employees and patrons to travel home before the start of the curfew. Gatherings will be allowed but will be limited to a maximum of 50 people indoors and 100 people outdoors. Where the venue is too small to accommodate these numbers with appropriate social distancing, then no more than 50% of the capacity of the venue may be utilized. Gatherings include religious services, political events, and social gatherings. The limits on venue capacity also apply to restaurants, gyms, fitness centers, bars, taverns, and other places. Attendance at funerals and cremations may not exceed 50 people, and all social distancing and health protocols must continue to be observed. The sale of alcohol from retail outlets for off-site consumption will be permitted between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. from Monday to Thursday. Alcohol sales for on-site consumption will be permitted as per license conditions up to 8 p.m. We are now administering more than 240,000 vaccines every weekday. A month ago, this figure stood at around 100,000 vaccines per weekday. And as a result, we have now administered more than 6.3 million vaccines, with over 10% of our population having received a vaccine dose. We will now allow people between ages 18 and 34 to be vaccinated from the 1st of September 2021. To support those who have no means of supporting themselves, we are reinstating the Social Relief of Disaster Grant to provide a monthly payment of $350 until the end of March 2022.
We were there when no other newspaper dared print on a Sunday, when the war to end all wars was declared, when one of our own reached for the stars, and when small acts of defiance opened the world's eyes. We were there when a heart got a second chance at beating, when a great rivalry ignited, and when a country rose out of the depths of division to unite. Because for 115 years, we've been bringing you the right now. Sunday Times, the paper for the people.